Hi everybody, today I'm going to show you this combination smoke and carbon monoxide detector. It comes in this box right here. When you open it up, it has the detector itself, and it has the hardware to install it, the instructions, and it has the base. This is what you install against either the wall or the ceiling. I'm going to be doing it later in a few minutes so you can see it. But it's very easy. It has a couple of screws. You just put that in there and then you can put the base right here, turn it, and you're all set. Now it has a readout. If you can see it right there, it's showing right now the carbon monoxide, it's 0. And then you can just test it right here and it beeps and it's and right there it's resetting, so it's really loud. It's sensing right now. Again, it shows 0 for the carbon monoxide, obviously no smoke. So yeah, it's really loud. It's battery operated. It's said to last up to 10 years. And right here on the back, if you want to deactivate it because whether something is causing the smoke or you want to move. So if you want to move, you can just take it apart. Click here on the button that says off. It is really easy to use. Just really literally you take it out of the box, put the plate on the wall or on the ceiling, and you're good to go. And it's detecting carbon monoxide and smoke. So after you mount your plate over here, it's very easy. You just put your screws and your plugs, and I just finished right here. And I already had another smoke detector over here, so that's why I have the holes. I'm just replacing it. So I'll put the plate on, and now I'm gonna put the actual smoke detector. There you go. It's as simple as that. You won't be able to see the number from down here. So I'm obviously on a ladder, so that's why I'm this close. If I get down, I'm not gonna be able to see the number, but it will give me the alarm. As I played it before, it's really loud, and not only for the smoke, but for the carbon monoxide as well. Again, you have your button to test it. You have the light that shows that it's green and that it's charged, so you don't have to worry about it. The manufacturer says that it will take up to 10 years. So I hope you guys like it.